process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Hello, hello, hello. Is it anyone here? Yeah, this doesn't look too great. Let's go from monthly. Yeah. doesn't look too promising. Yeah, I don't think this will hold. I mean, we have all these. This is kind of rebalanced already. We have these two small ones. There is this weekly. Is it the midpoint of the probably gonna get a retracement today, but not much. We were waiting this to dump, but not that hard. We never thought it will dump that hard. And also we expected, well, we were waiting the news to bring us here, and we never did. Also on yes. Yes looks cleaner. Hey man, how are you? Yesterday I was like you're hours here early, you know, like I was like did I mess up with the time? How are you doing? I mean, Japanese yen short, I took it off. I mean, I took profit, and now I found a re-entry. I'll show you, it's quite interesting. It's basically so finally the Japanese yen flipped bullish, okay, and my short, you will say, okay, why I'm short? Well, we hit the daily target I have, and I wanted we retrace from here into this and make it like a fair value gap, and I have things to support it, like I have these 4-hour candles. Same thing with the monthly on Nasdaq. See, we weak and then we close back. So my short was from here earlier, but I took profit on the midpoint, like you see here, and now I found a re-entry on the 15, and this is like the day 4-hour candle. So my re-entry was like, well, this will be there, but let's see. Let's see. That's basically the bottom of the 4-hour candle. Too excited yesterday, man. I bet that everyone yesterday got our ass spanked, you know. Oh boy. Yeah, I got like, I was trying in the beginning to see like if we're gonna get any, you know, kind of relief, you know, on Nasdaq, but nothing. And I will show you where I got that 500 euros or dollars loss on my funded account. It's stupid. It's a stupid thing I've done yesterday. By the way, you remember we were discussing this level 330s. I think I had it on my previous video. Should I do that? Let me see. We can go to the previous stream. But anyway, I had a level. I noticed it in the morning when I looked at charts. We had like a level here that it was holding above it, then it just this red line. It was holding just above and then it dumped. But we have still ways to go. I mean, this is a weekly fair value gap. You remember we said that we we wanted it to come up here. It didn't even say I'll do that. But I think this is earnings. Probably most of the companies suck ass, I don't know, with the earnings. It's so funny, like because of this dump yesterday, like 3.5%, which is quite big. I mean, what was the daily dumps we had here? It's 3%. Down seems okay. 2%, and this was when April. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, April. Man, dropped. He shit the bed, man. He shit the bed. Like, I was here and I was, you know, I saw this and I was like, okay, maybe New York will come. It make this FVG that I like to play the inverse, you know, if this is Judas, and it fit my idea to coming back here, okay? Taking London, said that, you know, you can go. You are free by me at least. I made the fair value gap, and here I'll show you. I've done a very stupid mistake. I didn't wait for my setup because I thought I was smart, you know. At that moment I did something super silly. So you see this here. Where is my box? So we came. This is aggressive. This is very aggressive price action. So when this candle was about to close here, okay, we go with the replay. Okay, let's put it 0.1 or maybe 0.3 is faster. Hop, wait a second, what happens? You will notice it tries to close it tries to close there, and that's a market in, and then whoop. 1 second. Yeah, man. And it was, this is bad execution from me. This was super bad execution from me, and I deserve the loss. Because I've done backtest, and usually what happens is you will at least, most of the time, this is like, it's not every time. There is days you get this. You will come and test this and reject if it's a trending day. Or if it's a Judas, you will come above and hold it and then move. This is how I traded London today. Okay? But this thing was just melting. Like, you know, you remember we make this joke like, we should have held a short from the beginning. But I was like, it's already 2% down. Like average days, 2% down. How down it can go? Well, it seems that it could go a lot. Yeah, man, this thing, I thought I was smart, you know, like when I saw the candle, it was like 2 seconds to close and I mark it in. And then whoop. Because I was like, okay, it's already before Asia, man. Like, it's 2% before even New York Open, and there is no sign of life. I was like, yeah, it has potential to go up. But I take the shit, you know, it was my bad execution. Fully bad execution. Hindsight though, if we have held short, I don't know. And another thing, yeah, it had entries, but this is not entries you will take. This is not normal entries. Like, see this, price-wise, this is an entry short, you know, a downtrend, and you see, we distribute, you never close in the middle, above the middle. See how many, I had many opportunities to short, but with very big stop loss. And because, for whatever reason, I wanted to long. I have got rid of my bear, you know, and you see, there was many opportunities to short. It's me, I was trying to buy the dip, you know. Come on, yen. I think overall it's a good thing that yen goes up. Yeah, I mean, in the stream we said that this is, you remember in the stream, this was not even that elongated. And I told you, like, when this looks like this, it's not very promising for going higher. And it's in the same premises that I shorted the 4-hour candles on yen. But I don't really think it will go very low. That's my take profit. That's where usually I will take full TP. Because it's in an uptrend, you know, like trying to pick the top is a bit dangerous. What I think about Nasdaq today, I think we're gonna probably come a bit up, a bit though. We had all this move, so probably today, when is midnight? So I think we will be within this bounds. Yeah, I think. I mean, if we go to a 4 hour, do you see the candles get smaller and smaller? So there is, I mean, if you are shorting here, there is something wrong with you, I guess. So if this closes like this in 1 hour, in the 4 hour candle, we have this dealing range. I mean, I don't think we will have crazy upside, but something maybe. And then continue. But we see like Nasdaq is super, I mean, it's super weak. It didn't even make it to premium. So even from this, it can reject, I think. So anything like in this area, I will probably look for short. This was the, that was the daily fair value gap, yeah? Yes. 300 something we were saying. Previously we were saying that the 300 was an opening gap, I think it was CPI news. Yeah, some people call it a hangover day or a retracement. So if we retrace from here, I mean there is really decent money to be made. It's not that there is no opportunity. It's like, will we get this, or it will just be non-stop dumpster? So we took the low here. We took the low, rejected midnight, maybe we will be ranging within this box. I mean, we're gonna continue lower. I think we can go and take the session highs. I'll be really careful longing after yesterday, especially how I did yesterday. Thankfully I locked most of my accounts during London, so but my life got a spank. Higher time frame, man. All these lows looks candidate, you know. It's like you go to the interview. I think we're gonna take them. And once we break this one in here is when you know that we have to just find a place and just swing short this thing. If we break that, we will. Yeah. Ooh, we pretty rough, I think. It would be nice if we have the shorts from there. No, I will trade what the chart says. Not what I want to trade, but what the chart says. Yeah, I caught myself after a very long time yesterday being hopeful about trades, and that's a very, very bad sign. That's a sign that I have to rethink my game plan. Not my strategy, but my execution. How I approach my charts. It can be a long day until we have. These are two liquidity points. 296 was the extra high and 277. But daily bias is bearish. So I will look at rally to sell into it. So in the 1 hour, if we come and breach anything from here, from these 2 points of liquidities, if we don't dump already from the open, like yesterday, I can just find a setup and short there. Yes, it's kind of same shit. We see we broke structure there. And looking bright. This doesn't looking too promising. It's 8:30. We have news now. 1 second. "47 seconds. And we will TP, I think, with the news. My initial goal was to take it until here, but I decided not to be too too greedy. All day G20 meetings. What is this? Central Bank and Community Industrialized Nations to G7 Nation Connected.
Order filled.
Boom! TP hit. You will see now. I will regret I didn't have my TP there. Look at it going. Oh boy. So let's see. So GDP is growing. This is crazy. Last time, this is quarter to quarter. So last quarter was 1.4%. They expected to now to expand a bit more, and it's actually expand way more. Unemployment claims was less than expected, but within the it was within the forecast. Okay, not bad. It's the first time I see them really coming close to the numbers. This came lower. Let's see what the Nasdaq do. Let's see the whipsaw roller coaster. sweep a load here. I would like to sweep London low and then go up. And my macro starts at 850. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any trade on this. We expect a retracement today, that's or a ranging day. Now if we go back and make all new all-time high, I mean, I don't think so. It's funny though. This is the dollar. We took yesterday with liquidity and we came down, but index is pumping, dollar is pumping now. Well, we saw yen dumping, which is what I was wanting. See quite lows to take, but so we had yen on retracement. So if money leaves, yen usually goes to dollar. So it makes sense that dollar pumps. Might be ranging for the rest of the week. Yeah, but let's see. Do you know the website to see the earnings? Two hours ago. It's funny, I press more news, but there is no more news. Less is more, huh? But it's funny, like dollar, silver, oof. Is gold finally breaking? Gold is finally breaking. I've been calling this target here since we were here, like 11th of July. So we went to sweep the top again and then come down. If gold is cleaner on price action, I might trade gold today. There is a short here until here, but that is too risky. And also we have New York opens later. I took a gold long yesterday. So my loss on Nasdaq yesterday was way more than 500, but because it's kind of I outweighed it with the long here. I was somewhere from here to here. I find empty. Yeah, was this entry here. So kind of balance my my loss from being too big. When I entered the trade, both were in green. Let's see. Do you trade oil, EJ? Overall, kind of ranging, but I think we have upside for oil. We took these. I will tell you one thing I don't like about oil is that every month you have rolling contracts, so basically your volume is divided into two, and I'm not a big fan of that. Man, why I didn't keep my oh boy. Why I didn't keep it there? I like gold. And gold is a bit bipolar. What I've done here. This they took a very bad turn. Copper. That can be monthly. That's this was here. I like metals a lot. They are very directional. GC. I think now you can see. As the gold features. GC1, well, GC, what is the contract now though? Let's see. Let's see the contract. GCQ4. Yeah, you can find everything from the CME website. This is cooking music. Okay, I don't want cooking. So I was saying to it was Andy last time. I was saying to Andy that we have been weaking this previous all-time high, never close above. I mean, if you some people laugh on this. But I looked the yearly chart on many things. I give you if you look the yearly chart, You can see things you don't see on the lower time frame. I know it's huge time frame, but I was looking this, last year for GBP JPY to come here from the yearly chart, and it came. You see the eyes here. People say the monthly. Well, monthly, yes, but if you have data for a yearly chart, why not? And I know it's a stretch, but it seems that it goes there, like those targets. Euro JPY. So if we are taking those, if in 5 months we are here, we will see some redness. It was in the same premise I took this short from the 4 hour. Man. Well, with TP, $600, I won't say no. When I show you something funny on Nasdaq, we bounced from a completely random place. Completely random place. I'm not even sure if this is completely random place. Well, what happened here? This is the lowest low between these three candles. Still, this is the 50%. Do you know what looks like this? Tesla. What is one? Let's see. Is this one here? Yes. You will see a random place also here. Very, very random place. Very random place. But don't look the yearly chart. If you buy Bitcoin or something, I'll show you now. It's not like 100% thing. But I've noticed this. So you have 2 years of upside. Or I don't know if you want to put that. So anything on these midpoints and below, I think are good buys on the yearly chart. So if you, let's say it's high inside capital now, and if we knew that 23k, we gain this as an order block. Let's see. We really, if we gonna go higher, we really in this year we need to close this high. We don't want to have this high like this. Yeah, I mean, well, now it's hindsight, but I've done this. The volume here is way greater than all the other years. I was doing this somewhere here, but that was already 170% from there. So, but I put it on my notebook to look for it. And as you see, I have done it also for Ethereum. And I think Ethereum has high chance to go to 10K. So these are the random places we are bouncing. Everything is random here. Yearly it looks like we have more upside, honestly. But probably we wanna get this 3 months bleeder. Maybe something like this. So this might hold actually. Well, let's put an alert on this one. Blue, okay. And this is not my futures chart. That's my CFD account. So we can check here if this holds truth. Yeah, metals all up, they really get you see, same thing. Andy was looking for a long here, or I took 2 longs here, but it was 50-50. Like, I was not convinced with this close here. Plus, I have been screaming for a month that we need to come here. On the monthly chart at least. And you see these equal lows there. Okay, like this is now the range, but still it has to be here. You don't generate liquidity on the bottom and don't take it when you pump. Oil somewhere here. For a buy, I think that's the only place that makes sense. Oh, 850. Wait a second. We started our macro. Let's see. So we took liquidity here. What we will do with this fair value gap? can get the trade on NQ. It's gonna come, take these highs, I guess. I go
Order
in
filled.
one contract. I'll try to get the 234s. Let's see we hit. I mean the trade, okay, so we know not financial advice. Maybe even this here, local highs. I'll take the local highs there. Gimme. Now money starts to come in. PJ, your head and shoulders.
Order filled.
Up. Took the highs. Boom. Boom. Let go. Yep. Took a 400 W there. Just this scalp, one contract. Might come here, but you know, like there is too many on the way. I was like, okay, take this. Easy target, no brainer. It was like 1, 2, 3. 3 minutes trade, man. I'm gonna see how the open will be today. But today I lock my funded account. I will play maybe only with the other one, the practice account. So we gonna run these highs. We want it to be aggressive. From this point and above, we need it to be aggressive. Yeah, I mean the intermediate time frames, they're all breaking anchors. So probably a retracement day. cannot put it on the market cipher B. That's a shame. That's a shame, I cannot put it there. Yeah, we want to see speed here. 9 o'clock is here. There is juice coming. Yeah. Topsy was asking me when you get the best longs on 1 hour, 1 minute. I mark it there. Well, we're below the EMA, so probably you will not look for long, but usually you get it when you get the 1 minute with the 5 minute breaking together. And you see that's a solid run. I mean, what is that? 96 points. Fucking 6 points. Let's taper it this one. Just trying to find where is my top set. So news done. There we are. It goes for the high, but maybe I'll go with micro just for hey, might take it. So it takes this one now. This is near the open. See what it does. Yeah, we want to see speed, really. If we inverse this one during this time period here, it will be used there later for shorts. Where is my pen? It will be used like this, but I think we have a lot of liquidity from above. I don't say that this will just dump us down, but it will hand more liquidity before it goes up again. That's what I'm saying. If it inverts this. At the moment it shows that it holds. but it doesn't convince me. So we need to see this kind of behavior if we're gonna run the highs. We create equal highs here. It didn't even run them. It came to the almost to the tick. So these are something to watch later. These guys. We will refer to them later. Maybe in the open. Hey you. I will go one short there.
Order filled.
But I am on micro, so not too crazy. I would like to come on this news fair value gap. This is the button I couldn't press yesterday. I will add another contract there. No, it didn't take me. It's fine.
Order filled.
Ah, it took me. Yeah, so I'm not too crazy here. I'll take one out here. 181.
Order filled.
Boom! Let's go! Let's go! First TP.
Order filled.
I'll stay one contract in, man. This was like a bonus trade. So that's why I didn't go like too crazy. Let's see. You wanna see close below here. So we have now this inversion. And let's remove it because it gets too clunky here. We want to close below these. And this is what we want. Doesn't mean that we will get this, but let's see. So I would really want to see it just go down now. But let's see. Let's see if it's gonna dump from here. Did you took at least partial EJ or this, or you're going one contract and that's not bad. Yeah, I took like 3 contracts on the bottom. From 4 I have one running. It's nothing at all. Like if I get stopped out, that is nothing. Well, let's see. It holds there. You see there is caffeine enters the bloodstream. But I like that it struggles there for the short. If it closed below, I might add another one, but and the macro ended, so let's see. Five minutes, yeah, 5 minutes comes up to the money flow. Damn, man. Why I changed my take profit? Yeah, it would be a stop out. One
Order
micro.
filled.
You heard it. Order fill. It's fine. So practically we took 80% of our trade. Here. Not too shabby. That would have been nice to come down to the news fair value gap. But I close. I have to do some stuff and try to get some trades. It'll be fine now if it comes out, you know. I hope I get some trades on this account. Yep, there you go. Damn.
Order filled.
I took another micro on it. I still like the short, but probably gonna lose 30 again. But anyway, I'll end the stream now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.